Freedom Factory. There goes Garrett and Chelsea DeNofa in his Fox. Good morning, YouTube. It is like 7 a.m. and we're getting ready to wake up all the neighbors in the Corvette. What sucks about having a full-blown race car is, well, everything. Everything except drifting. Long drives, it kind of sucks last night, but we got in at like 1 a.m. And then we woke up at 6 a.m. Track's about 30 minutes from here, and we got to make the driver's meeting, so we're about to get going, but the car's defogged up like crazy, so take a look at the windshield. I've already come out here and kind of tried defogging it, but as you can see on the other side, it is just pretty aggressive, but the wrap came out pretty cool. Huge shout out to Abe over at A&G Graphics. I truthfully didn't think I would like it because orange is just not my thing, and going back and forth with Cosmo on the design, it started with like legit tiger stripes, and I was like, I don't want to feel like Tony the Tiger driving around, but this is a more modern look, and it's kind of growing on me, to be honest. So the goal for today is just to qualify, to be honest. Well, first pass tech, because I have no idea what the expectations are. Hopefully just a cage, basically, because that's all this car has. And once we pass tech, the goal is to qualify. There's 80 plus drivers, so only 64 are going to go into competition, and all of them are going to be baller cars. I'm going to show you guys when we get there, but it's literally 1,000 plus horsepower pro drivers out there. So the competition is stacked, but we're going to see if we can qualify. Qualifying is all about your lead line. So in practice today, the goal is just going to be to put down as close to a 100-point qualifying lead run as I can, and hopefully that'll set us up in a good spot for competition. So let's go ahead and get in the car, and then we'll head over there. Go time. Made it, boys. Good old Freedom Factory. Alright, so Daniel's working on putting the KlutchKickers banner on right now. I'm gonna go drop off this custom handbrake that James over at Sicky Manufacturing made for Cletus. This thing is sweet. Custom one-off handbrake, so I'm gonna go drop this off. Drop it off to Zack. Laser engraved, buddy. Nice. Yeah. That's what I have in my car, but James, the owner of City, made this for you a while back. So I'll make sure I get it to you. Thank you. I have it in my Camaro and in my Corvette. Yeah, so what do you guys do with it? Oh, this is for you, dude. Oh, you're yeah, this is yours. So you'll be able to literally take out, if you want, the handbrake gears, and the master cylinder will bolt right up to this, dude. I probably have something like a yeah. Yeah, dude. Buddy. Absolutely. You want me to hand it back to Zack, or just with you? All right, we're about to go out for practice. The goal is mainly just to practice the lead line, because qualifying, well, so if you're new to drifting, there's a lead line and there is a chase line. The lead line is what you qualify on. So in practice, I'm primarily going to be doing lead runs. Now there's 80 cars and only an hour of practice, so I don't know how many laps I'm gonna get in. But yeah, the goal is to run my best lead line that I can do. That way when we qualify, we can hopefully get in the top 64. Because of the 80 cars, only 64 is gonna get into competition. Daniel's doing some final touches on setting up the car, and then in about 10 minutes, we're gonna hop in the car, and I'll bring the GoPro, but they're not allowing any media on track, so I don't know how much outside footage I'm gonna be able to get. But this 220,000 mile Michigan Motorsports Camp car is gonna
give it hell. J-Speed hooked up the tune a little bit, so hopefully she's running 100%, because we're gonna need as much advantage as we can have, because there's 1,000 horsepower plus cars out here. Look at this car go by right now. A nasty nitrous, crazy built LS motor. So there's tough competition out here. We're definitely one of the underdogs, but I like it. I like the pressure. We're on Cosmo tires, which is basically a street tire, so we're gonna run what we brung and hope we do well.
Alright, so a lot has happened since we got rained out. Let me explain. We were doing qualifying, got rained out. They ended up randomizing battles, so qualifying's out the window. But I ended up going against Sean over here. He's a gnarly driver, so of course I would randomly get selected to go against him. If I win, which again, Sean is so consistent, so gnarly. If I win, I have to go against, let these guys go. But if I win that battle, I have to go against either Taylor Ray or Chelsea DeNofa. So it is going to be a tough battle now and in the foreseeable future, but it's dry right now. Oh, also we've had no practice. So I got like 2 laps in practice, maybe 3, and then it started raining. It dried up, started qualifying, only a couple cars went. It started raining, we got rained out. So this morning we got here super early. They randomized it. We have no practice, no sight laps, and we're just gonna send it. So pretty crazy stuff, but we're gonna do the best that we can do. Car overheated once yesterday, so hopefully we don't have that issue. And yeah, we'll see how we do. All right, warm up lap.
on the run up. My only chance is to gap him. Sean's gnarly, dude. Sean's fucking gnarly. Looks like we're going home early, boys. Yeah, fuck. Good job. Sean is fucking gnarly. There's no beating that. Shit. Well, we tried, boys. The hand that we were dealt was not ideal, but we gave it our best shot. That's all we can do.